Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over how to reverse a duplicate client payment in Studio Designer. Okay, in this example, you can see that I accidentally posted a client retainer 2 times. Okay, obviously, and I usually like to keep multiple tabs open when I'm working on something like this. Usually I'd put it on another screen, but for the sake of training, I'm not. So I'm going to start by reversing the duplicate payment by clicking the $ icon and going to money in. We're going to select the client, and you can see here that they are both sitting in funds available. And I'm going to receive client payment the same way that I took it in. And I'm just going to change that to, let's just say reverse duplicate. Okay. So I'm going to just do the same that I posted the 15,000 in the positive. I'm just going to post it in the negative. Okay, and I will just say, it says receive, but I will say reverse duplicate client payment posted or posting error. Okay. So that is a duplicate, and I will go ahead and post it. It's going to confirm, do you want to post it? I usually double check to make sure whenever that pops up, it's our last chance to change it. Once you post it, you can't delete it. You can't change it. The only thing you can do is correct it by reversing it, okay? Because it is a client deposit. So that being said, if there's any questions about what I've done, actually I will pull it up in the general ledger one more time. You now can see in undeposited funds, there is only 15,000. So I'm gonna go ahead, that's how I found it, right? When you do the bank recs, that's why we do them. I saw that I posted it twice. So we have to reverse one. We couldn't just delete, okay? If there's any questions about what I've said, let me know in the comments below. Thanks.